If your Evernote desktop app is showing an error, freezing, not syncing properly, or just acting strange, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try on Windows to clear corrupted local data, reinstall Evernote cleanly, and get your notes syncing again. This is one of the best troubleshooting methods when Evernote desktop starts malfunctioning, because it removes bad local files and gives the app a fresh start. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. At the top menu bar, click File, then choose Sign Out. When the Sign Out window appears, look for the option that says Remove my Evernote data from this device. Go ahead and check that box. This is important because it clears the local data stored on your computer, which is often where the problem starts. After that, confirm the sign out and wait for Evernote to close properly. Once you've signed out, restart your computer completely. Don't just close the app and reopen it. A full restart helps clear temporary system issues and make sure any background processes are stopped. After your computer comes back on, open Evernote again and sign back into your account. This allows Evernote to resync your notes from the server and rebuild a clean local copy on your desktop. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Evernote needs a stable connection to sync properly, so make sure your device is online. If possible, try switching to a different network or refreshing the sync inside the app. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary connection problem rather than the app itself. Now, if Evernote still isn't working correctly, it's time to perform a clean reinstallation. First, close the Evernote app completely. Then open your Windows settings by pressing Windows+I. Click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Evernote, find the app in the list and uninstall it. Confirm the removal when Windows asks. After uninstalling, we need to clear out the leftover app data that may be causing the error. Press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open your AppData folder. Look for the Evernote folder and delete it. This step removes corrupted cache files and old settings that may be forcing the desktop app to misbehave. Once that's done, restart your computer one more time. Then go to the official Evernote website and download the latest version of the desktop app. Install it fresh, sign back in, and let it sync your notes again. In many cases, this clean reinstall fixes desktop errors, login problems, and syncing issues all at once. If you're still having trouble after these steps, it may be worth checking whether Evernote has a wider service issue or whether your account needs a little more time to fully sync. But for most users, clearing local data and doing a clean reinstall solves the problem. So to recap, the fix is to sign out of Evernote, remove local data from the device, restart your computer, check your internet connection, uninstall the app, delete the Evernote folder in AppData, and reinstall the newest version from the official site. That process gives you the best chance of resolving Evernote desktop errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.